Doon po sa The Rise at Monterrasa sa Barangay Guadalupe, Cebu City, kung saan binaha ang mga residente. Sabi po ni Secretary, pinagkakitaan ang proyektong ito.
I do not want to second-guess the Secretary, Your Honor. Let me clarify the matter with him.
Hindi naman po nagkulang ang pagbabala, hindi lang ng iisang tao but several people, about the structural design niyang subdivision. And their warnings were that this would endanger the environment and the community at the bottom of that mountain. After the storms, after the floods, it's coming out na there were not just one but several, even many violations. So, sino po ba yung nagbulag-bulagan sa DENR at DNR-EMB para mag-grant yung environmental compliance certificate nito?
Sa nagbulag-bulagan, hindi ko po masasagot yan. Ang ICC po ng Monterrasa has gone through the whole process of EIA. Kompleto po yan.
Hindi ko po matanggap na hindi nyo masagot sa nangyari at sa scale niya, sa tindi niya. By now, you should be gathering some answers.